In this video, we'll learn about advanced gradients in Photoshop. There are so many amazing ways to use gradients in your workflow. Designers love them for the versatility of control in shape and size. However, most people don't take the extra step to make their technique advanced. What do I mean by that? Well, what if I told you that thousands of people have already done the work for you, and you can download hundreds of free gradients that can be installed directly into Photoshop. In this example, I found a pack from an artist on DeviantArt. It's a beautiful array of colors that can be used on various design projects in the future. To download it, make sure you're signed into your DeviantArt account and press the arrow icon below the image. In your download folder, you'll find a .grd file that acts as a group, where all those gradients are compressed together. Now go back to Photoshop, open the Gradients panel, select Import, and then select the .grd file you've downloaded. Photoshop will create a new folder with all of the gradients. And have a look at this. It's incredible how much variety you'll gain with this method, and how it will change the outcome of your projects. Of course, DeviantArt isn't the only place where you'll find gradient presets, and Google's your best friend, but remember that gradients can come in two forms. Number one, an image that you can overlay, such as JPEGs, PNGs, etc. Number two, a .grd file that you can import. Aim to go for the .grd files, since they'll provide you with the ultimate control that every designer desires. And this was Design Dummy.